So, beginning with the second practical in CG, that is computer graphics, in SPPU, we have second practical that is to implement DDA and Bresenham line drawing algorithm to draw a simple line, dotted line, dash line, solid line using mouse and keyboards for four quadrant with center. Let's begin with the practical. That is a manual of the practical. I'll provide it in the description box. Second practical, we are going to do it on OpenGL, that is code blocks, and objective of the practical is DDA line drawing algorithm and Bresenham line drawing algorithm. These two algorithms are used for line drawing. So beginning with our code blocks, in this we have to go and create a new project. In that console application, go, next, C+, next. Project title is what the project name is. So we can add on CG1, that CG1 DDA. CG2, because it is second practical DDA. Next, finish. Also check the location where it's going to be saved. In source file, double click, main C, double click. Here is our place where we are going to execute our program. Over here is a basic program. Just will control X, will remove all. I'll be providing you with algorithm, that is C. Beginning of the practical, we have DD algorithm, that is to start the algorithm. In that we have to declare x1, y1, x2, y2, dx, dy, and x and y as integer in beginning only, because we are going to use an iterating program. For that, first we'll declare. After declaring, we'll enter the values x1, y1, x2, y2. To calculate dx, simply x2 minus x1. To calculate dy, y2 minus y1. In that two, whichever is the big one is the length. So to choose that, by calculating first, it will compare in if condition, else it will decide the decision parameters, that is dx. However, dx is bigger, so we'll choose dx. So to calculate x, include dx upon the step is the value of x in that particular situation. Later on, y include dy by step. Here also the bigger one we'll choose. Then set pixel xy, whatever we are getting the x1 and y1. And after putting in step 9, we'll get our the point for DDA algorithm. Similarly, to execute this, we'll have CG program. This program I'll be providing in description box. The entire program is provided in link. You may check out it and we'll get such output. So how to execute this program? For that, copy. In code blocks, we'll paste it. The program is little bit bigger because it consists of the two algorithms, that is DDA and Bresenham. Bresenham is also used for line drawing. So glut libraries we are using in this program, only using glut libraries. Here we have decided the color codes, vertex X. These are the graphic functions which are used in glut library. Here you can see the declaration of variable. Set pixel has been provided. Here is DDA algorithm, the main algorithm which I have explained. See, you can see here dx, dy, x and y, and x include has been declared. Basically, difference is that in DDA we can find out float values, and in Bresenham, the integer values are taken. So here x, we have given decision as dx x1 minus x. Here you can see whichever is the greater is the length for this step, and we'll take it and consider. We'll find out the next step again by set pixel, and here is the iterating condition you may see here. Similarly, for Bresenham, we are having algorithm. Bresenham algorithm, I'll show you. Bresenham algorithm. See, we have to take input to endpoints xk, yk, plot xk, yk, calculate the constant dx, dy, and px equal to 2 dy minus dx. In this, we are using subtraction, and in DDA, we are using multiplication. In the manual also, you may find out the difference between them. You may check out. I'll provide in description box. Repeat this step as follow, and this is our Bresenham line drawing algorithm. Here also in program you may see dx, dy, p and temp has been initialized. Here it is dx, dy. The condition is applied, p equal to 2 into dy minus dx, as you can see over here. See this px 2 dy minus dx has been put out, and later this is all as iterating functions. And here we have initialized the menus. For DDA we will press key 2. For DDA 3, here are the key functions. Whatever the execution will be there, these are the necessary functions needed. You may check out it. Like for 1, we'll press for DDA simple, DDA dash 2, and so on. Now let's run. To run the project, we have to go on this option, build and run. In your program, if there is such kind of screen, is that means that is the output of our project. To get output, left click, you will find 2 points, 1 point here, 1 point here. By clicking in scroll button, you will get multiple options. In that, I'll choose DDA dash dot or thick line. This is thick line I have chose. Now I'll again put 2 points. Again scroll button. If I press scroll button, I'll get multiple options. In that, if I choose DDA dash dot C, I'll get dash dot line. Similarly, here are the coordinates whichever I am pressing using left mouse key. I'm getting in the screen the coordinates of particular point like minus x-axis, y-axis, whatever it is in quadrant. You may check it out. Cartesian plane basically. Now here I have put the point. Again pressing the scroll button, I'll find multiple options. Now I'll choose Bresenham dash C. Difference here is, you can see, this is our execution of DDA line drawing algorithm and Bresenham line drawing algorithm. Thank you.